Hello and good morning, students. Today I am here some new problems from integration by parts. Integration by parts we have started yesterday. It contains only one identity. Let us recall, if u and v are two functions of x, then integration of u into v will be u into integration of v minus differentiation of u into integration of v and its whole integration. This is the formula from integration by parts. So let us start some question. See, first question: evaluate integration of sec cube x dx. See, sec cube x should be written as integration of sec square x into sec x dx. Since sec square x, you know its integration is tan x, so consider u as sec x and sec square x as vx. So u into integration of v, let us consider I, u into integration of v minus differentiation of u into integration of v and its whole integration. Write down their values. So sec x integration of sec square x is tan x minus integration of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x, and again integration of sec square x is tan x dx, or sec x into tan x minus, this should be written as tan square x dx. You know tan square x is sec square x minus 1, so we write I as equals to sec x into tan x minus integration of sec x into sec square x minus 1 dx. Now multiply them and separate it into two integration. See what happens. This should be equals to sec x into tan x minus sec cube x dx plus integral of sec x dx. See, sec cube x, this is again our question, means it is again I. So write down sec x tan x minus I plus integration of sec x. Perhaps you have remembered the formula, that is log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, and finally make this I into left side. So in left side we have 2i, I and plus I. 2i is equal to sec x tan x plus log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 and so finally I is equals to 1 by 2 into sec x into tan x plus log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus constant. This is our result. So in this topic you may be some longer problem. Now see the next question. Your next question is integrate tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x whole square dx. Here tan inverse x, you know its differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So consider it as u, means take u is equal to tan inverse x, and other part that is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square as v. Now apply the formula. I is equals to u means tan inverse x into integration of v 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx minus differentiation of u, so differentiation of x tan inverse x into integration of v 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx and its whole integration. Write down the value. 1 bata 1 plus x square should come into numerator, becomes 1 plus x whole to the power minus 2, and by the formula of x to the power n it should be like this. Means I is equals to tan inverse x into minus 1 by 1 plus x minus integration of tan inverse x, which is 1 by 1 plus x square, into minus 1 by 1 plus x. You have just seen it. Further it should be written as tan inverse x by 1 plus x with negative sign. Minus and minus together becomes plus. Now see how much. This should be written as 1 bata 1 plus x plus 1 minus x bata 1 plus x square. Split it into two integrals. Then see 1 plus x square should come here and 1 minus x square should come here. So x square and x square should cancel. 2 is left. So divide here by 1 by 2. This one. This is called partial fraction. How we split, you will study details in integration of partial fraction. Now further I is equal to tan inverse x with negative sign, so minus tan inverse x by 1 plus x. Separate it into two integrals, means 1 by 2 into integral of 1 bata 1 plus x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 minus x by 1 plus x square dx. Again split it into two integrals, so minus tan inverse x by 1 plus x integration of 1 by 1 plus x is log 1 plus x plus, see here, 1 by 2 into integral of 1 bata 1 plus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into x bata 1 plus x square dx. Integration of this term is tan inverse x, and here if we rationalize it by 2, so differentiation of denominator is numerator, so its integration is log 1 plus x square. So finally we have minus tan inverse x by 1 plus x plus 1 by 2 log x 1 by 2 sorry log 1 plus x or x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x, and this is minus 1 by 4 log 1 plus x square. This is your integration. Add here integral constant which will give your result. Now see the next question. Your next question is integrate e to the power x into 1 bata x minus 1 bata x square dx. First of all, separate it into two integrals, means e to the power x into 1 by x dx minus integral of e to the power x into 1 by x square dx. Here consider 1 by x as u. So in first part apply u into v, means u 1 by x into integral of e to the power x dx minus differentiation of 1 by x into integral of e to the power x dx and its whole integral. And the second part is here, write at same e to the power x by 1 plus x square dx. Now write down its value. So I means our integration is 1 by x, integration of e to the power x is same e to the power x minus differentiation of 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, so integral of minus 1 by x square into integration of e to the power x dx, and here is the second term e to the power x dx upon 1 plus x square. Now see, minus and minus together becomes plus, so I is equals to e to the power x by x plus integral of e to the power x by x square, means e to the power x dx by x square minus integral of e to the power x dx by 1 plus x, sorry, this is only x square, ex by x square dx minus e to the power x dx by x square and plus e to the power x dx by x square should cancel, and hence I is equals to e to the power x by x plus c. See one more question about this pattern. Write down. Integrate e to the power x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube dx. Integrate e to the power x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube dx. First write it into two terms, e to the power x into 1 by x square dx minus integral of 2 e to the power x by x cube dx. Use integration by parts. Consider 1 by x square as u. So u into integral of v minus differentiation of u into integral of v and its whole integration. And the next part is same, 2 e to the power x by x cube. Further write down its value, means integration and differentiation. It should be e to the power x by x square minus integral of differentiation of 1 bata x square, means x to the power minus 2. So its differentiation will be minus 2 into x to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So it should be written as minus 2 upon x to the power 3 into integration of ex dx, that is same integration of ex is also ex and its whole integration minus integral of 2 e to the power x upon x cube dx. And in next step write down minus and minus together becomes positive. So I should be written as e to the power x upon x square plus 2 integral of 2 e to the power x upon x cube dx, and here minus 2 e to the power ex upon x cube dx. So see, plus and minus e to the power x should be cancelled. This one and this one should be cancelled here. How much left? E to the power x by x square. So e to the power x by x square plus integral constant c, this is your result. Write down next question C. Integrate x log 2x dx. This is your next question. Integrate x log 2x. Consider log 2x as u. So u into integration of v minus differentiation of u into integration of v and its whole integration, just according to the formula. Write down x square by 2 is integration of x into log 2x minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x, means it is 1 by 2x, and differentiation of 2x is 2 into x square by 2 dx. 2 and 2 should cancels. So how much left? 1 by 2 x square log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integration of x, because 1x also cancel. So 1 by 2 x square log 2x minus x square by 2 multiplied by these 2 becomes x square by 4 plus integral constant c. So students, in this way we solve the questions from integration by parts. After completion of today's class, I will provide some questions for practice immediately from integration by parts. You can solve and give me immediately your answer so that I will check it properly. Till then, thank you.